If you're considering using ChatGPT for your business or personal projects, there are a few things you need to know before making that purchase. While it's one of the most popular generative AI tools, it's important to understand its strengths and limitations compared to other platforms on the market. First, ChatGPT's primary appeal is its ease of use. With a straightforward interface, it allows users to generate text in seconds, making it a top choice for those new to AI. However, if you're looking for deeper customization or specific industry applications, you might find some limitations here, especially when compared to competitors like GPT-3 or Google's Palm, which offer more granular controls and more robust API options. Next, the quality of output is a key factor. ChatGPT shines in conversational content and general writing tasks, but it sometimes struggles with maintaining consistency over longer text generation. For instance, if you're creating a multi-page document or a complex report, the coherence can start to break down. Other tools, like Jasper or Writesonic, may offer more stable results in these areas. So, if high-quality content over extended periods is your focus, you may want to consider these alternatives. The third thing to consider is speed. ChatGPT is fast and can handle many requests quickly, but during peak hours, response times might lag. Some competitors like Copy.ai offer quicker service or even offer premium plans that prioritize speed. This can be an issue if you're working on tight deadlines. Fourth, the pricing is something to think about. ChatGPT has a free version, which is great for casual use, but for businesses or individuals needing higher volume usage, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. Some competitors like Writesonic and Copy.ai offer more flexible pricing models, including options based on the amount of content you need, rather than just a flat monthly fee. Another consideration is the customization options. While ChatGPT is flexible, it doesn't provide the same level of personalized tuning that some other AI platforms offer. For example, platforms like Jarvis provide more control over tone, style, and language preferences. If you're running a business that requires a very specific voice, this could be a deal breaker for you. The sixth thing is the availability of support. ChatGPT's support is decent, but it can sometimes feel impersonal or lacking in responsiveness. In contrast, services like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid offer more dedicated support channels and often provide quicker, more direct help if you run into any issues. Next, you should know about data privacy. OpenAI's ChatGPT stores conversations to improve the system, but this could be a concern for businesses or individuals handling sensitive information. Platforms like Google's Palm or Microsoft's Azure AI offer more robust enterprise-level privacy policies, which may be crucial if you're dealing with private client data. The eighth thing to consider is integration options. ChatGPT offers a great standalone experience, but when it comes to integrating with other software or platforms, you might find it lacking. Competitors like Copy.ai or Jasper provide API integrations that connect seamlessly with content management systems and marketing platforms, making them a better option for businesses looking to automate large-scale workflows. Now, another factor is the multilingual capabilities. While ChatGPT does support multiple languages, it can struggle with less common ones. Competitors like DeepL or Google Translate offer more advanced features for multilingual text generation, making them a better choice for international projects. The 10th thing you should be aware of is the community and resources available. ChatGPT has a vibrant community, but other platforms, such as Jasper, provide more extensive tutorials, case studies, and customer success stories to help you maximize the value of their software. The 11th thing is AI bias. ChatGPT, like other generative models, may occasionally produce biased or offensive content. While OpenAI works to minimize these issues, they're still a concern. Competitors like Google's Palm focus more on ethical AI, providing more transparency and control over generated content. Lastly, you should understand that ChatGPT isn't perfect for every use case. While it's a great tool for writing, brainstorming, and simple conversations, there are scenarios where other AI tools might outperform it. If you're looking for more specialized content